Hi friends, today I am again with one of the Ramzan special recipe. It is chicken recipe made with carrot and mustard. So first we will marinate our chicken in red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and salt to taste with spoonful of tomato paste. Now take a pan, put oil, add chicken, cook till it's half done from both the sides. Sorry friends, gravy making video just got deleted while editing. So I will give the recipe of the gravy. You have to take 3 onions, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon of mustard and 1 small carrot. Put all together in a pressure cooker. Take 2 whistles and cook on about 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, when it's done, we will switch off the flame and let the pressure come out. Then we will take a hand blender or a jar to blend the mixture to make a smooth paste. So once the gravy is done, now we will start adding the gravy to the chicken and we will let it cook for another 20 minutes on low flame. See, now you can see for yourself the gravy has come out so well, and trust me, the taste also is really good. So now we have start serving it, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel, my friends, and hit the bell icon to get the notification when I post my recipes. Bye bye, see you soon next time.